anyone seeking silence should communicate at least some of their conversation through writing or through gestures instead of talking and using his tongue. In this way, the habit of keeping silent will begin to develop, insha'Allah Azza wa Jal. In this regard, one Madani In'am in the prescription for becoming pious provided by Dawud Islami, that is the Madani In'amat card, is: did you apply the Qufl Madina of the tongue to develop the habit of avoiding useless speech today by communicating somewhat through gestures and at least 4 times by writing? During your efforts in trying to keep silent, it is quite possible that you remain successful in abstaining from useless conversation for a few days, but then the habit of talking might revert back to its previous state. Even if this does happen, do not despair and keep trying constantly. Istiqamah, steadfastness is necessary. If your spirit is genuine, then insha'Allah Azza wa Jal, you will definitely be successful. During the times that you are practicing to keep silent, it is better to keep a smile on your face so that nobody gets the impression that you are annoyed with him and considering that you are frowning. In such times when you are trying to keep silent, your anger may increase. Therefore, if somebody fails to understand your gestures, ensure that you do not vent your anger on that person, because this may lead to the sin of hurting somebody's feelings. Communication through gestures is advisable with only those people with whom you have an understanding. A stranger or one who is not acquainted with you may become annoyed on communicating via gestures. Therefore, you ought to talk to them as and when required. As a matter of fact, speaking becomes wajib, absolutely necessary in several cases. For example, to reply to somebody's salam when they meet you, etc. When meeting somebody, instead of gestures, it is sunnah to make salam to that person. And for this we have to make salam with the tongue. Similarly, if somebody knocks on a door and the one inside asks who it is, the one outside should not say, Madina, please open up, or it is me. Instead, it is sunnah to mention one's name at such an occasion.